So, how to use the pump to remove the ink from your whole system. Let's say you're going on vacation. So I'll remove my cartridges. I use these, okay? Once I remove my ink cartridges, I replace them with a set of cleaning cartridges. They can be empty if you want them to be. I have a glass here, and what I do is that I grab a syringe and I basically go and fill them up right there, right? Make them full and do the same process for all of them. Boom. So once you fill them up, right, you go ahead and you turn on this just like a quarter, right, until you see it. Give it a second, then it's gonna be pulling. You're gonna do this until your lines are running clear, like that. You can put the remote back down, and as you see the liquids going down, you can go and fill them up. And you keep doing this until all your inks are basically out of fluid. Okay. Once you see your lines are running clear, you're good to go. There wouldn't be any more ink in your line, in your print head. So your system is going to be flushed out. You're ready to go on vacation, take a break, do whatever you want. Turn it off. By the time that you come back, you can leave that cleaning, that print head solution in the print head with no issues. By the time you come back, that's even going to help break down anything that's inside, right? So you come back, you install your cartridges back how they're supposed to go, and then you do 2 head cleanings, and you know, you're good to go. You'll see. This is amazing. One thing else to add, if you are having issues because your print head has clogs, inks, and stuff like that, do this procedure. Leave the inks in there, you know, 6 hours, 12 hours, and flush it out. Flush the liquid in there. Do the same process again. Leave it there. You know, you can leave it up to a day if you want. The longer the fluid is there, the better it is. But it helps break down the ink that is inside of the print head. So with this, you're able to get this going and flush everything out. I don't have to remove no print head. I don't have to do any of that stuff. I can just go ahead, get the fluid in there. I don't have to be using the syringe and each of the nozzles. No, that's why you have this. I'm just saying, this is amazing.